Hello student, good morning to all of you. I am Satish Jangir, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. इंजीनियरिंग जियोलॉजी में हमने फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी मिनरल्स की पढ़ चुके हैं। उनका आइडेंटिफाई कैसे कर सकते हैं फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी से किसी भी मिनरल को, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी, कलर, लक्ष्यर, टेक्सचर, क्लीवेज, इन सब के बारे में हमको पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के अंदर कोई भी मटेरियल जिसका यूज हो रहा है तब अपन को यही पता नहीं है कि इस मटेरियल की प्रॉपर्टी कौन सी है, तो उसको अपन कैसे कहाँ यूज ले सकते हैं। इसके बाद ही अदर्स प्रॉपर्टीज और आती है, जिसमें आपके केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी और आपके जो मिनरल हैं वो मिनरल आपको कैसे कैसे दिखाई देंगे, उसके आधार पर अदर प्रॉपर्टीज में टेस्ट एंड मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज आर डायग्नोस्टिक ऑफ फ्यू मिनरल्स. Mineral association are also of use. Some minerals often occur together, whereas others are never found together because they are unstable as chemical mixture and would react to produce another mineral. Nearly all identification of mineral in hand specification in the field is made with the proviso that the specimen being examined is not a rare mineral but is one of the dozen or so common rock forming mineral or one of a couple of dozen minerals commonly found in the sheet like vein that cut rocks. The difference between common quartz and one particular rare mineral in the hand specimen is insignificant and easily missed, but mistakes of identification are presumably as rare as the mineral. The same limits of resolution using such simple technique mean also that only in favorable circumstance is it possible to identify. For example, which variety of feldspar is present in the fine-grained rocks as distinct from identified feldspar. 3 or 4 properties are usually significant for a positive identification of a particular mineral, and there is a little point in determining the others. For example, a mineral with a metallic luster, 3 cleavage, all at right angles, a grey color and a black streak is almost certainly the common lead or galena. First, silicate minerals. Of the 100 of so elements known, only 8 are abundant at the Earth's surface. These in decreasing order of abundance are oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron and calcium, and sodium and potassium or magnesium. The common rock forming minerals are formed mainly of combination of these important elements, and most of them are silicate. What is the structure of silicate? Silicate's structure tetrahedron is one silicate atom is connected by 4 another oxygen elements. The silicon oxygen tetrahedron, the broken lines represent the edge of the tetrahedron that can be drawn around an silicate unit. All the silicate mineral passes the silicate oxygen SiO4. This oxygen resembles a tetrahedron in outline. So in the figure, these are the tetrahedron with a silicon atom at the center and four oxygen atoms at the corner. Modern classification of silicate mineral is based on degree of polarization of the tetrahedral silicate groups. In some silicate mineral, all four oxygen in a tetrahedron are shared with other hydrogen. These are called framework silicate and include feldspar and quartz sharing three oxygen leads to formation of sheet silicate such as the micas, and when two oxygen are shared chain silicates form as in the pyroxenes and amphiboles. In other silicate minerals, the tetrahedra remain as discrete units sharing no common oxygen. These are called Iceland silicate and include olivine and garnet. The most obvious difference visible in hand specimen between two minerals in a rocks is often that one is light color and other is dark color. Generally, the dark color silicates contain iron and magnesium as essential elements, where the light color silicates contain aluminum and alkalis. A simple division into these two principal groups of rocks forming silicate is therefore employed in this chapter. First, discuss on dark color silicate minerals means magnesium and iron content. Dark color silicate minerals range from vitreous to dull in luster. Their other properties observable in hand specimen are listed in table, and each of the important mineral in the group is now discussed. Olivine first. MgF took a halt twice. SiO4 is a mineral formed at high temperature which crystallizes easily from a basic magma to form bell shape. Rather is quite present in most of the rocks in which it is present. Magma is hot. Now, olivine color green or dark green, specific gravity 3.5 plus, hardness 6 and half, cleavage non 1 4. Next, pyroxene agate black or brown, specific gravity 3.3 and hardness 5.5. Fractures 2. Hornblende black 3.3 specific gravity and 5.5 hardness, cleavage 2. Biotite color is brown, specific gravity 3, hardness is less 2.2, cleavage 1 perfectly, garnet red variable 3.5 plus specific 7 hardness and cleavage no. A liquid rock which when consolidated is known as igneous rocks. Some crystals in igneous rocks may, however, show corroded crystal phase because of a reaction with surrounding magma around solidification was complete. Pyroxene where X may be calcium iron or magnesium and Y is silicon or aluminum exist in many varieties, but the most important one of igneous rocks is mineral agate, the properties of which are listed in table 2.6. The atomic structure of agate consists of a single chain of tetrahedral silicate linked laterally by calcium, magnesium, and iron cations. The bonds between individual chains are relatively weak and the cleavage direction are parallel to chain. Agate has two cleavages parallel to the length of mineral which are seen to intersect at about 90 degrees on the basal face of its crystal. Agate is common in igneous rocks which have a relatively low percentage of silica and frequently occur with olive. No hydroxyl group is present in either agate or olivine and both can be described as dry mineral. These minerals are rarely found in sediment since they alter easily when exposed to water and air. They may be present in some metamorphic rocks. This is the single chain silicate structure. So in this figure, here is the single chain link which is connected to SiO4 tetrahedron joint at two corners and with composition SiO3 and the single chain has trapezoidal cross section when viewed along its length this with one silicate ion is connected to for another. This is the parallel to the prism zone. Mineral and rock structure section of atomic structure of agate crystal view at right angle of prism zone. This is the prism zone where the first cleavage is this and second cleavage is this. Now next, crystal of agate showing two cleavage meeting at approximately right angle. On the vessel face, compare with figure 2.7 next figure. First, this is the vessel face and this is the second cleavage direction and this is the first cleavage direction or this is the prism zone vertical faces. This is the two cleavage meeting at about right angle on the vessel face. Biotite is a dark color member of the mica group of mineral. It Main property are listed in table 2.6 like all micas. The atomic structure of biotite consists of sandwich with two sheets of linked silicate tetrahedra forming the outer layer. These are linked together by another layer of metallic cation, magnesium, iron, Fe3, etc. and hydroxyl groups. Each of these sandwich units is linked to another identical unit by layer of potassium cation. The link are weak bond and the mineral cleaves easily into flakes along the plane separately. The sandwich unit biotite usually crystallines from a magma containing water at a late stage in solidification. It is commonly in igneous rocks which are relatively rich in silica and also in sediment and metamorphic rock. This is the silica sheet which is connected by magnesium and iron. This layer, magnesium and iron and hydroxyl, this is connected to each other, then the layer is in a parallel plates. The cation potassium ion present in there, this is the cleavage plane, this is the basal phase, perfect cleavage parallel to the basal phase because the all layer are laid on to each other, then perfect cleavage is a basal phase. Some rocks, some minerals properties are there. First, feldspar, white, pink, variable, specific gravity 2.7, hardness 6, cleavage 2, quartz, colorless, white, red, variable 2.65, specific gravity and hardness 7, cleavage no. Muscovite colorless 2.7, 2.5, 1 perfect cleavage biotite. Next, Muscovite alters to clay minerals, particularly alide and montmorillonite. Cerecite is a term used to describe fine-grained white micas. Such white mica are chemically similar to muscovite. Alternation minerals. Many silicate minerals alter in the presence of air and water to form new stable product. The most commonly altered minerals include the ferromagnesium silicate and the feldspar. Serpentine is a alternation product which form mainly from olivine. Serpentine is a green in color with a low specific gravity 2.6 and hardness 3.5. The fibers variety of serpentine, another name is chrysotile, is a type of asbestos serpentine formed from olivines in the presence of water and free silica as follows: olivine magnesium rich plus water plus silica is equal to 2 serpentine. The process of alternation of olivine in the rocks is depicted in figure 2.13. An examination of the structure of serpentine show it to be mesh-like with fiber separation crystal in a prescribed arrangement as shown in figure 2.14. The formation of serpentine within a rock involves as increase in volume from that of the original olivine. The presence of serpentine changes considerably the physical properties of olivine bearing igneous rocks may of the vast rocks for road metal aggregates including dolerite, basalt and gabbro contain olivine and its degree of alternation should be always be checked. A small amount of alternation may be beneficial since the aggregate then bonds better with vitamins. But aggregates in which there is extensive alternation should be avoided. Chlorite is a sheet of silicate closely related to the mica and is dark green in color. It is variable specific gravity of between 2.6 to 3.3 depend upon the composition and hardness of 2.5. Chloride form as a secondary mineral from the hydrothermal alternation of ferromagnesian dark color silicate mineral in particular agate 1 blend and biotite in metamorphic rocks chloride occur as primary mineral that it is formed from pre-existing clay mineral presence in the rocks as the rock is slowly subjected to increasing temperature and pressure. Many formations liquids mineral in sediments will alter to chloride during the weathering process. Shells and mudstone particularly tend to rich in chloride. Many joint or fault surface in basic igneous rocks may be coated with chloride causing these joints to be very weak with very low interparticle angles of friction. Normal silica minerals have interparticle angle of friction in the range of 25 to 35 degree where chloride is angle of friction is 13 degree. Thus the angle of friction between ferromagnesian mineral can be greatly reduced by weathering and chloride formation. Clay formed mainly by the alternation of other minerals by action of weathering. The specific type of clay form depends upon the composition of the original mineral undergoing alternation and the surface condition where weathering is taking place. The change is not usually a direct or simple one. Other alternation products which are not strictly clay may be formed as intermediate stage of the weathering process and one clay mineral may be transformed into another more stable one as conditions change. For example, secondary chloride formed by hydrothermal alternation of primary form ferromagnesian mineral will itself alternate readily to clay during the weathering process. Secondary mineral above the test line in the figure are formed by the late stage magnetic process such as hydrothermal alternation where these below the line of usually formed by weathering. Clay mineral are sheet silicate with density between 2.5 to 3 depend on the types of clay. First is structure, kaolin structure. Two units are held together by attraction force. Note the structure of kaolin is worth comparing with the serpentine in which the brucite layer replaced the gibbsite layer of kaolin. This is the gibbsite layer, and then structure form is silicate with kaolin structure. Often turn 1:1 sheet silicate and 1 silica layer in coupled with the 1 gibbsite. This type structure is kaolin structure. Elite like a mica is termed as 2:1 sheet silicate since one sandwich unit consists of 2 silica layer with 1 gibbsite layer between. The units are joined by potassium ions.